IELTS ለመፈተን የተዘጋጃችሁ ወይም የምትፈተኑ ሰዎች I want you to follow me, right? These are top words for IELTS. ለIELTS-አችሁ top የሚባሉ ናቸው ማለት ነው። Significant. Say number two, say. Significant. Say significant. What do you say? Significant. Significant means important. What does it mean? Important. Important or noticeable. Noticeable. ምን ማለት ነው? ወሳኝ የሆነ ጠቃሚ የሆነ ወይም noticeable የሆነ ምንድነው? የሚታይ ነገር ማለት ነው። የሶ ነው። ስለዚህ significant. Can you give me examples? ለምሳሌ አሁን የፊውል የነዳጅ ዋጋ ጨምሮ ከሆነ significantly ምንድነው የምትሉት ማለት ነው? ንገረኝ እስቲ። There is, what is it? A significant increase. Increase ምንድነው? መጨመር አይደል? ወይም ጭማሬ ማለት ነው። Increase in fuel price. Okay? ወሳኝ የሆነ ወይም የሚታይ ጭማሬ በምን ላይ ታይቷል ነው እያልክ ያለው? በምን? በነዳጅ ላይ ታይቷል ነው። የዋጋ ጭማሬ ታይቷል። There is a significant increase in fuel price. Therefore, significant means important or noticeable. Say noticeable, Belsi? All right, okay. Interesting, right? So, number two. Inevitable. Inevitable ስትሉ ምን ማለት ነው? Inevitable. What do you mean by inevitable? What is the meaning of inevitable? For example, if I say that death is inevitable, it happens to everybody. Death is inevitable because it happens to everybody. የማይቀር. All right? So, there is a word. አንድ ተመሳሳይ ያለ ሌላ እስቲ ንገረኝ እስቲ። Unavoidable. የማናስወግደው የማይቀር ማለት ነው። ይሄ ምን ማለት ነው? ይሄ የማይቀር ማለት ነው። What is inevitable? Death is inevitable. ካላችሁ ሞት የማይቀር ነገር ነው ማለት ነው። Yes or no? It happens to everybody. So, example, death is inevitable. Death is inevitable. የማይቀር ነገር ነው. It's unavoidable. You cannot avoid death. Yes or no? Yeah. So, what's inevitable again? ለምሳሌ with a massive urbanization በትሉ ከፍተኛ የሆነ urbanization ከተማ መስፋፋት traffic jam is inevitable. አይደለም እንዴ? Traffic jam is inevitable. Therefore, inevitable means unavoidable ማለት ነው. Unavoidable. For example, እንደዚህ ብትሉ እናንተ ማለት ነው it is what? It is inevitable. It is inevitable. ብትሉ ምን እያላችሁ ነው ማለት ነው? It's unavoidable. What does it mean? It's unavoidable. Say unavoidable. What is it? Unavoidable. So inevitable means unavoidable, right? Inevitable means unavoidable. Is it clear? የማናስወግደው የማይቀር ነገር ከሆነ it's inevitable ነው ማለት ነው። የማይቀር ነገር ነው ማለት ነው። Yes or no? Is that okay? All right. Okay. Interesting. የቤካይ እኮ ደርሷል አለ። አረ ምን እኮ ይሄ እኮ የማይቀር ነገር ነው ምናምን ስትል it's inevitable, we have to pay today. Yes or no? የማይቀር እኮ ነው መክፈል አለብን. So inevitable means unavoidable. Say it again. Unavoidable. How can you say አከራካሪ ስትሉ አንድ ነገር አወዛጋቢ የሆነ ነገር ከሆነ ምን ነው? He is a controversial figure ካልኩኝ ምን እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው? አወዛጋቢ ያ ሰው አወዛጋቢ ነው እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን ይባላል እዚህ አወዛጋቢ ስትሉ? Controversial. Controversial means causing what? Arguments. Causing what? Arguments. But argument የሚያስነሳ causing arguments. That's said to be controversial. For example, he is a controversial leader. But እሱ ምንድን ነው? አወዛጋቢ? He is a controversial leader. Controversial leader ብል እሱ ምን አይነት መሪ ነው እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው? አወዛጋቢ ነው፣ አከራካሪ አወዛጋቢ መሪ ነው እያልኩ ነው። He's a controversial leader. I can't get him. I can't understand. I can't make out what this man is saying. He's a controversial man. therefore controversial means causing arguments ማለት ነው ስለዚህ አነጋጋሪ ምናምን ከሆነ ምንድነው ማለት ነው controversial ምን እንላለን እስቲ በርሲ ሲሲ controversial በርሲ hey say again controversial okay ብዙ ውድ ያልሆነ ነገር ምንድነው ይባላል በአቅም የምትገዛው ነገር ውድ ያልሆነ ነገር ምንድነው የምትለው ውድ ያልሆነ በአቅማችሁ የምትገዙት ነገር ምንድነው ይባላል ለምሳሌ እንዴ affordable say again affordable means not too expensive not too what expensive ውድ ያልሆነ በጣም ውድ ያልሆነ ነገር ምንድነው የሚባለው affordable በሚለው ነገር ማለት ነው so what's affordable here in Addis Ababa ምንድነው አሁን በአቅም የምትገዛው ነገር በጣም ውድ ያልሆነ ነገር what's affordable here a house rent is affordable or not affordable no. What's affordable
maybe fruits maybe
fruits yeah. Fruits are affordable yeah. Are you sure I mean the price of fruits is it affordable or unaffordable
too much expensive
and the fruit እኮ ብዙ አይነት fruit አለ እኮ
yes
affordable so that like you can say that it's but see it's affordable it's affordable it's affordable I can buy I can buy መግዛት እችላለሁ በቃ ይሄ ብዙ ውድ አይደለም ስቱ it's affordable I can buy yes this house is affordable is it affordable or unaffordable yeah what's the opposite of affordable
unaffordable
all right የማይቀመስ ነው እንላለናል unaffordable so adbaru what is unaffordable here in Addis Ababa በጣም ውድ የሆነ ማለት ነው the opposite of affordable is unaffordable what's more expensive here
I think raw meat
ማይቀመስ ነው raw meat is unaffordable all right okay lelas and they lelas house yes or no houses are unaffordable houses are affordable here right ምንድናቸው ነው ቤቶች በጣም ኤክስፔንሲቭ ናቸው ማይቀመሱ ናቸው houses are unaffordable therefore chin an is un ሲጨምርባት የማን ተቃራኒ ትሆናለች affordable the opposite of affordable is unaffordable yes or no unaffordable do you have a question here please any question you have here
no.
So what did you say significant what is significant which means important or noticeable and inevitable means የማይቀር ማለት ነው that's unavoidable ማታስወግደው ነገር death happens to everybody therefore it's inevitable all right that's it controversial causing arguments which is a very important vocabulary in IELTS he's a controversial man she's a controversial woman all right or he's a controversial leader therefore like awuzagabi is true affordable that's clear so we'll try to see other words that are really important for your IELTS. If you want to crack your exam, follow us. All right, Stina Mbutsi, crucial. But see, crucial. What do you mean by crucial? Do you know the meaning of crucial? Huh? For example, physical exercise is crucial. Bill, what am I talking about? Many yalkuno. Crucial means extremely important. What does it mean? Extremely. But see, እጅግ በጣም ጠቃሚ ከሆነ ምን ይባላል? Crucial ወሳኝ በጣም ጠቃሚ ከሆነ crucial for example making money is crucial all right yes or no crucial say again crucial university education is crucial right so ምን ላለው ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር እስቲ በርሲ university education is crucial. University education is crucial. Critical thinking is crucial. Yes or no? So crucial means extremely important. እጅግ በጣም ጠቃሚ ስትሉ ምን የምትሉት crucial ነው የምትሉት በጣም ወሳኝ ሲሆን ማለት ነው okay interesting so what's crucial for you ለአንተ እጅግ በጣም ወሳኙ ነገር ጠቃሚ ነገር
food
of course right there's no question about it right okay yeah okay እስቲ ሁለተኛውን አንብቡት እስቲ ሁለተኛውን አንብቡ adequate well see adequate
okay
enough which means what enough በቂ ማለት ነው right በቂ ለምሳሌ በቂ ሄልት ሴንተር አለ ወይም የጤና ምንድን ማዕከል አለ ስትል ምን ነው የምትለው? there are በልሲ there are adequate health centers ስትል በቂ የሆነ ምን አለ? የጤና ማዕከላት አሉ። በቂ የሆኑ ምን አሉ? የጤና ማዕከላት አሉ። so adequate means ምን ማለት ነው? enough በቂ ማለት ነው። የተግባባ ነው? you say for example I have enough money. I have adequate money. You can say, right? Is that okay? I have adequate number of cars for transportation. You can say, right, or for business. So adequate means enough. What does it mean? Enough. And enough means beki, no? Selezi beki. All right, okay. What about ambitious? What about ambitious? If I say that I am ambitious to change my life. So what am I talking about? ምን እያልኩ ነው? I'm ambitious to change my life. Ambitious means having a strong desire. Having what? A strong desire. Strong? ከፍተኛ ጉጉት ፍላጎት ያለው ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? ambitious ነው የሚባለው። ሰርገን ambitious. I'm what? Ambitious to transform my life. To transform. transform በልሲ ምን ማለት ነው? change ማለት ነው። my life ህይወቴን ለመለወጥ ከፍተኛ የሆነ ምን አለኝ ማለት ነው። ከፍተኛ ፍላጎቱ ቁርጠኝነቱ አለኝ እያልክ ነው ማለት ነው። I'm ambitious to change my life or to transform my life. So ambitious means ምን ማለት ነው? Having a strong desire. Is that okay? Having a strong desire. So what are you ambitious to? What are you ambitious to do, man? I'm ambitious to, come on. What are you ambitious to do?
To learn. I'm ambitious to learn English.
I'm ambitious to learn English. I'm ambitious to learn English. What about you? Nothing? Right, okay. So, okay, diverse. But see? What do you mean by diverse? Man, diverse means varied. Varied or different. Or what? Different. We have diverse cultures. Yes or no? Yeah. All right. Or you can say that our culture, our what? Culture is diverse. Means our culture is varied or different. Yes or no? Yeah. Yes or no? You know, diverse, there's a word diversity that comes from diverse. Yes or no? Yeah. Diversity. Say diversity. Diversity is a noun and diverse is an adjective here. So diverse. Say it again. Diverse. Say it.
Diverse.
Diverse. Yeah, we have diverse norms or cultures. Yes or no? Interesting. So diverse means varied or different. Varied or different. All right? Okay, ልዩ ልዩ የተለየ ስትሉ ምን ነው የምትሉት? diverse ነው የሚባለው. We have diverse, cultures. All right? Okay. Innovative. Say innovative. What do you mean by innovative? Innovative. What do you mean by innovative? What do you mean by innovative? We need innovative technology. Yes or no? So what is innovative? Innovative means new and creative. New and what? Creative. New and creative. That's it to be ምን ይባላል? ይሄ innovative ይባላል። ምን ይባላል? So we must have, let's see, innovative technology. Yeah? Technology. We must have innovative technology to speed up our performance. Yes or no? Our what? Performance or development, right? Yeah. We need to have, or we must have innovative technology to speed up our performance, our development. So that like innovative means ምን ማለት ነው? New and creative ማለት ነው. Yes or no? New and creative, right? Okay, interesting. What about beneficial? What about beneficial? Yeah, that's so beautiful. All right. Beneficial means helpful. What does it mean? Helpful. Yeah, helpful. For example, exercises or doing what? Exercise is beneficial. Yes or no? See, say it again. Doing sport. Doing what? sport is beneficial. Say beneficial. Doing exercise or doing sport is beneficial, which means it's what? Helpful. Reading books. Say reading books is beneficial, which means it's helpful. ጠቃሚ ነው ይረዳል ስትሉ beneficial or helpful ነው የምትሉት። Yes or no?
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, interesting. Okay, what about this? What about the next one? Accurate. Say accurate. What do you mean by accurate? I need you to be accurate. So accurate means correct. What does it mean? Very correct. Yes or no? Accurate. Which means correct. Yes or no? Your answer is accurate. Say it again.
Your answer is correct.
Your answer is accurate. Your answer is accurate. Which means መልስ ምንድን ነው እያልክ ነው ማለት ነው። Your answer is accurate. መልስህ በጣም ትክክል ነው እያልከኝ ነው ማለት ነው። እየተግባባ ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ accurate means correct. What does it mean? Okay, correct. Okay. What about the last one? ምን ይላል ይሄ? እስኪ አንብቡት እስኪ።
Prominent.
Say it again. Prominent. Say prominent. Prominent means she's a prominent professor in the university. So what do you mean by prominent here? She is a prominent professor in the university. So well known. Say it again. Well, በደንብ የታወቀ ስትሉ ምን ነው የምትሉት? prominent ነው የምትሉት። Say it again. Prominent. Say prominent. For example, አክሊሉ ለማ was a prominent scientist. በል ምንድን ነበር እያልኩ ነው ማለት የታወቀ ሳይንቲስት ነበር እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው። Or if I say she is a prominent researcher. She's a prominent doctor or researcher. Yes or no? ምን አይነት ተመራማሪ ነች እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው። የታወቀች ተመራማሪ ነች። She's a prominent researcher. She's a prominent scientist. She's a prominent teacher. Am I clear?
Yes.
So, how many adjectives did we see so far? ስንት አየን እስካሁን? 12 adjectives which are really helpful for your IELTS. ለአይኤልቲኤሳችሁ ወሳኝ የሆኑ 12 አግኝተናል ማለት ነው። 12 ተምረናል ዛሬ ማለት ነው። ቀጣይ ይኖራል። Thank you for watching. This is Unique English, where you can learn English uniquely. Anybody who is interested in learning online or face-to-face classes, come and join us if you want to make your English unique. Bye.